Picture this: 5 meters of pure power, a venomous bite, and the king of all snakes. This isn't a creature from your wildest nightmares, but a very real, living and breathing entity. This is the king cobra, the longest venomous snake on Earth. It's a creature that commands respect and, when encountered, survival instincts. It makes its home in diverse habitats, from bamboo thickets and grasslands to dense forests and murky swamps. Indeed, these reptiles are not to be trifled with. Step 1. Look out for nests. You see, king cobras are territorial creatures, fiercely protective of their nests. And these nests? They're not your typical snake dens. Constructed from leaves and debris, they're often found near water bodies, in the thick undergrowth or bamboo thickets. Spotting these nests is your first line of defense. It's your signal to maintain a safe distance, to avoid disturbing these regal reptiles, especially if you happen upon their precious eggs. Step 2. Take a hint. When a king cobra feels threatened, it doesn't keep quiet about it. Rearing up to a third of its length, spreading its hood like an ancient sun god, and hissing in a low, growling pitch, it makes its displeasure known. These are not mere theatrics, they're glaring warnings. If you've missed the earlier signs and find yourself in this situation, it's time to gracefully retreat. This is your cue to back away slowly and leave the king's realm. Step 3. Challenge the king. If retreat is no longer an option and you find yourself in the snake's line of fire, it's time to stand your ground. Take a leaf out of Mike Holston's book, The Real-Life Tarzan Who Managed to Deter a King Cobra with His Own Hiss. Mimic the snake's hiss and use whatever you have at hand to make yourself appear larger and more threatening. Remember, your goal is not to harm the king, but to buy yourself enough time to escape. Step 4. If the king strikes. Should the unthinkable happen and you're bitten, don't panic. A tourniquet is not your friend here. It can cause more harm than good. Instead, keep the bitten limb as still as possible to slow the spread of venom. Your priority is to get medical attention immediately. Rush to the hospital for specialized king cobra anti-venom while keeping the bitten limb immobilized. Armed with these tips, you're ready to navigate the realm of the king cobra. Remember to, recognizing their nests, heeding their warnings, standing your ground when necessary, and prioritizing immediate medical attention if bitten are crucial survival steps. But the world of venomous snakes doesn't end here. Check out our next video on how to survive Snake Island. Could you survive the island for a week and what horrors awaits you there? Find out by clicking this tag. Don't forget to share these tips with a friend. Comment your own horror stories below, like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for future ones. Take care and stay safe. See you in the next video.